Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about Doctor's Day activities for preschoolers. The first idea is thank you cards making. It's very easy to make. You can follow the instructions here. You just need a couple of paper and color pencils. As you can see, our doctor card is almost ready. It's very easy to make. Just a cut in the paper and you can make it. So the next activity is Play-Doh Doctor's Kit. We will be making Doctor's Kit items with the Play-Doh. Here is the instructions to do the same. It's very easy and useful. This is a very good pre-writing skill as well. So have fun with this. As you can see, our stethoscope is ready. Now we are moving on to making the medicines. So the next item would be the injection. You can make a doctor bag and lot more things with the same. Play-Doh is very useful for preschoolers, so have fun with it. So the next item is Doctor's Bag Craft. This is very easy and can be made with a paper. You need a little bit of cotton and popsicle sticks, some cotton swabs and band-aids. Next item is Pretend and Play Doctor. This is very useful for the kids. They can just pretend to listen to the heartbeats and measure the temperature with thermometers. Have fun with it. The next item is telling 5 lines about doctors. You can teach the preschoolers to tell about 5 lines. They can make simple lines. Here I have given few examples. And the next item is painting competition. All the kids, they love painting and drawing. So you can have lots of ideas to make it. Here are few examples of what we can do and achieve with it. Hope you like this video. If you like it, do share with your friends and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.